Once again, welcome to my channel, and here we upload content about writing skills, lifestyle, and how to make money online through writing. If these topics interest you, consider subscribing. In this video, we are going to cover 6 tips that will help you make your dull blog topics exciting. Sometimes you can be given blog topics that are super exciting, and other times you can be given topics that just turn you off. In my writing career, I have written about how to live healthy, doing exercises, freelance writing, exciting company cultures, team building, money management, and other topics. These are the kind of topics that excite and engage me, and I always find myself at a position where I am highly motivated to write high quality and valuable content to my readers. Other times, I am assigned topics that are not that exciting, but are rather highly technical. At these times, I find myself stuck. Even though it might be not entirely possible to make a dull topic exciting, I have learned some few tricks and tips that can end up making these topics exciting. And in this video, we go over 6 tips that help me make blog topics compelling to everyone. One good question that I have to ask you is, have you ever been assigned a topic and did not know where to start? Or have you ever procrastinated due to the dread of cranking out on a topic or an article? Well, well, you're not alone. I have been there too. And due to this, I have developed a habit of experimenting how content is presented to the reader. And the insights acquired have caused me to develop writing methods that inspire me as a writer and help me when I get stuck. And without further ado, let's get to our 6 tips that I have prepared for you to make any topic that you are writing on as exciting as other topics of interest. Tip number 1: associate your assigned topic to personal events or experiences. Every time I'm given a topic to write on, I want to make it interesting or exciting. I think of my life experiences that relate to the topic to make whatever I'm writing about relatable and valuable. So, to avoid abrupt turn-offs or switchbacks from readers, use your introductions to tell a story about yourself and address how the discussed topic has impacted you. If you cannot personally relate to a topic, just try to present a question or a scenario. Tip number 2: add graphics, photos, and other multimedia to your blog. As you know, there are 3 types of learners: 1. Audio, 2. Visual, and audio-visual learners. You should make or create content that appeals to these learners on domains of data and information processing. If you are writing on a highly technical topic like how-to types of content, make a graphic that helps the visual learner to understand your topic more faster. On the other scale, graphics make your post to be more readable by breaking up sections of the text to make the reader's experience even more enjoyable. Graphics also help boost your creativity as a writer. Tip number 3: tie in current events. Uh, Tying in current events to your blog content makes your topic more relatable and exciting. Sometimes it might mean relating to a recent TV show or some song lyrics. This hooks the readers, and in the introduction, state how this information relates to the reader so that they can understand why they will want to continue reading. Tip number 4: interview experts about your topic. If you are given a topic that you have never written about before, or a topic that you have never heard of, find someone who knows and ask for help. Even if a topic can seem to be boring to you, someone who is an expert in that field and has a passion for it can discuss it with such vibrance that it becomes very exciting and informative. So don't be shy to reach out to external thought readers to collect quotes and relatable insights. Tip number 5: use a consistent narrative. Through my years in the practice of writing, I have come to a conclusion that if I ever wanted to make any blog content interesting, I would use a consistent type of narration to link together blog ideas and examples. It makes your topic to be fun to write and to read. So make sure that your blog takes the form of a short story where you make comparisons to inspire the reader to read more. Make use of language and writing conventions as well as punctuation and paragraphing to make this work. Also, this creates a piece with a more engaging reader experience. Tip number 6, catch attention with facts and statistics or stats. A stat or a research based fact can be one of the quickest ways to demonstrate why the topic you are writing about is important. When you are having a reader's or a writer's block or want to boost the value of a topic that might seem to be dull to readers, try to find a statistic that will shock you. Statistics are very shareable online and can be converted into infographics or images, which can be used to spice up your post. To conclude, dull topics are the ones that make us better writers. They push us out of our comfort zones to learn about new things and present to our readers what relates to them and keep them hooked. Be the kind of a writer that readers turn to when they want an entertaining personalities while reading or learning about a highly technical topic. So the last trick is that own what you write about and your readers will definitely notice it. Once again, welcome to my channel, and here we upload content about writing skills, lifestyle, and how to make money online. If these topics interest you, consider subscribing. Thank you and see you in the next one.